See the updated steps on how to view blocked contacts on Instagram from the PC. Once we enter Google and log in with the email and password, we will follow these steps quickly. On the left side of the application, all the options appear. We will go to the option that says More. If this option doesn't appear for you like it doesn't for me, it's because we need to zoom out a bit in the browser. So we go here on the right side on the three dots and we zoom out a bit. We look for zoom, it's at 100%, we set it to 90 and see that more options appear because the screen adapts. Then we click on more and then we click on settings. And once we click on settings, another series of settings will appear. Look, as you can see, and we scroll down to the part that says who can see my content. Notice that the option for blocked accounts appears here. We click there, and here we can see the people we have blocked. We can unblock them if we want. For example, I'm going to unblock this one. To show you, we click on unblock, and this way the entire list of people we have blocked will appear here. I also want to show you something. If we go here to home, notice that there is no option to post stories from the PC. That option doesn't appear. So in the description, I leave you the video on how to configure the option to make it appear from the PC so we can upload stories and also highlight stories. And I also leave you another recommended video on how to put any song in Instagram stories, because sometimes not all the songs from our favorite artists appear, so you can watch that video and configure it to show absolutely all the songs. See you next time, and remember to check the description to see the recommended videos. All the best to everyone. Esiande se tarayambe se